Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoyis and I'm a lash artist in Las Vegas. So for today's video, I finally got around to do this highly requested video, and a lot of you guys wanted to know how to lash in layers, and honestly guys, this has completely changed everything for me. I can't believe it took me so long to get around to do this. But you already know that I always start off, I prep and clean them and do everything I need to do to make sure that their lashes are squeaky clean. So I pretty much cleaned off her lashes with my DIY lash bath, which is the prolonged cleanser, and then I'm just washing them off with water. So today's products, I'm going to be using the Live Bay Lash Curvy Bay Tweezers for isolation, the Live Bay Lash Just a Tip Rose Gold to make my fans, and the lashes are the Soko Lashes 0.04D Curl. I'm also going to be using the Soko Lashes Primer and Sealer and the Soko Lashes Stay a While Glue. And then now I'm going to be placing some eye pads on her. And my trick to eye pads is I don't put them directly right under. I tend to put it a little bit below. That way I have enough room to put tape, because if you're putting the iPad right on the water line and you put tape over it, if their eyes tear up, it's not going to hold it. So that's why I put tape right on the lashes. That way there is actually something holding them down. And the tape that I always use for my bottom lashes is the Nexcare blue sensitive tape. I am gonna start playing around with other tapes, that way I could see if there are better ones out there, but for right now this is my favorite. It just holds them down so perfectly. And of course, you already know I'm gonna be priming their lashes with the Soko Lashes primer. And this step, guys, I cannot stress it enough on how important it is to prime their lashes. Yes, it is good to wash your lashes and make sure that they're squeaky clean, but I feel like priming them is that extra step to make sure that the extensions are gonna magnetically stick onto those lashes. So if you are looking for a good primer, I highly recommend the Soko Lashes primer. Okay guys, can we talk about her lashes? This is actually her first time getting her lashes done, and can we talk about them? It's literally a lash artist dream right here to work on lashes like these. Oh my god. And she's also my sister. After a long time of me trying to convince her to get her lashes done, she finally came around. So I am really excited to finally lash her. And guys, oh my goodness, I am obsessed with how this set came out. Her lashes are so thick and she has so many of them that this volume set came out looking kind of like a mega. Not fully, but almost. So I am going to be doing a cat eye style on her. So I'm going to slow it down here for you guys to see the actual lengths. So I'm not going to be doing nothing fancy, just, you know, simple cat eye, which is starting from the inner corner all the way to the outer. It'll be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 being the longest, and then bring it back down to 14, 13 with those little last outer corner lashes. My sister does like cat eye strip lashes, so this is what she wanted. So as you can see here, I'm playing around with her eyes. I'm just trying to see how many layers of lashes she has, and I think that's the most important thing when it comes to lashing in layers. You need to see how many lashes or layers she actually has. That way you know how many layers to separate. Okay, and the trick to layering, you're gonna need tape. So I'm using the same Nexcare blue tape, and instead of cutting it into 2 big pieces, I cut it into 4 tiny strips like this. That way I could use 2 on this eye and 2 on the other eye and still be using that same strip, if that makes sense. So now the actual part of separating the lashes, you're gonna want to pull her eyelid just a little bit, but not enough, because you don't want to put pressure on her eyes since her lashes are taped down. And I think the inner corner part is the trickiest, just because that tape is going to be lifting a little bit, but it's okay, just press it back down. And you're just going to take your tweezer and slide it in within the first layer of lashes, and they're going to come out so easily. Honestly, it's that easy, guys. Just pull in on those first couple lashes and they're just going to slide right out. as you can see. And honestly, there's nothing to it. It's just looking at the layers of lashes and then seeing where the first ones are at and just sliding them out with your tweezers. And if this is your first time trying this method out, I recommend to have some patience. It really is very simple to do, but if you're trying to rush this process, it's not going to work out well for you. So I recommend to take it easy when it comes to you actually pulling out those lashes. So just make sure to get all that first layer. So just go back if you feel like you missed any lashes, but honestly, if you missed one or two, it really doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that you have enough within that first row to lash. And I took some tiny little pieces from that Nexcare blue tape and I cut them very small. That way I'm able to lift the inner and outer corners. That way they're lifted and they're not touching the bottom lashes or the tape, so nothing gets stuck. And I highly recommend for you to do this. That way you make sure that nothing is being stuck. So now for the fun part, guys. Honestly, I am blown away on how fast I was able to lash the first layer, and honestly, I did not miss any lashes doing this. It's incredible how many lashes you could lash. And honestly, even though I do lash 100%, 99 technically, because sometimes you miss that one, sometimes it just happens. But the fact that I was able to do this without any struggles or on isolating or moving lashes out of the way, guys, I am blown away. So if you feel like you're struggling with isolation or just need help moving lashes out of the way, I highly recommend for you to do this trick, because you can clearly see that I'm not struggling to isolate. Literally, I don't have that many lashes in the way, so I'm just placing lashes like nothing, like boom, 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 back to back. It's so easy. So if you are struggling in that area, then I recommend for you to try this out. It's going to completely change everything for you guys. Yes, it is a little more work putting tape and then taking the tape off and then getting the next layer, but honestly, if you struggle with isolation, this will completely change everything for you guys. So the next few seconds I think is pretty much self-explanatory. You're just going to be filling in the lashes with volume fans. So I'm just going to put some cute little music on for you guys. So I'll be right back if I feel like I need to give you guys any more tips or tricks or any advice. So most likely I will.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. as you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Lashes sealer. I need to seal my lashes with sealer and then fan them out completely. Let them dry out before you fan it out, because you might mix that product into the lashes and take away that fluffiness. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. I wanted to make it as short as possible because I wasn't paying too much focus on the styling of the lash, since it's very simple. I wanted you guys to actually pay attention to how you actually lash in layers. So if you guys find this video very helpful, make sure to tag me in your work, and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you guys don't miss out on all my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What you thinking? I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.